Welcome back to Griddle Grub. I'm Ron, and today we're gonna do a egg in a hole for breakfast. So let's get in and check out these ingredients, and we'll get this thing cooking. All right, so we got some sausage and some bacon for the side. Gonna throw some veggies on this egg in a hole. Got one jalapeno, half of a red bell pepper, about a third of a white onion. We got the bread here. We got eggs, oil, clarified butter, and water. And yeah, so that's all we got. This is gonna be an easy cook. It's nice and cold out, so we're gonna get this done fast. All right, let's get this stuff on the grill now. It's about 35 degrees up here in Illinois, so it's a little chilly out, so we're gonna try and get this done nice and quick. The griddle is getting nice and hot. Yep. All right, we're gonna throw this bacon and sausage on first, and then the veggies, and let's get this going quick. Nice thick cut bacon.
There we go.
Alright, let's put a little oil over here. I'm gonna get these veggies going. Scrape out some of them seeds. There we go. Yes. Alright, let's mix this stuff up a little bit. Chop these onions a little more. Just let those go. Oh. Check this temperature, see what we're working on. Yeah, I'm gonna cook on low. I'm gonna turn the far left off because that's where I'm gonna put my food as it's done. Got some big chunks of onion in here, gonna cut them up. Yep. Spatula's awesome for that. This Blackstone spatula, it's the new one with the beveled edges around it. Love this thing. Alright, let them go. This bacon's going good. So I'm gonna come back as I'm gonna flip the bacon and the sausage and get it going. Okay, let's get this stuff worked up. Alright, that stuff's looking good. Alright, let's check out this. Alright, got my temp a little too low over here. Let's turn that up. Check the bacon. Yeah, I got my temp a little too low here. So I'm gonna turn that up, get these flipped over, get them turned, and then I'm gonna bring you back when we're gonna throw some eggs on. All right, welcome back. I'm gonna flip this bacon, see what we got here. All right, that's cooking up nice and good now. Yep, let's move that around. I got the left two burners off now. Yep. Just gonna cook this up a little more. Let's check these guys. Oh, don't you dare. Alright. Needs to do some loving. There you go, let's do that. You know, I'm gonna throw a little Cajun on the veggies over here. And it's still over 200 degrees over here, so gotta be careful. Make sure you don't burn them up. A little crisp isn't bad, but you don't want them burned. Alright, bacon's getting there. Alright, I'm gonna bring you back when we're gonna put these eggs on now. And I'm gonna finish this stuff up, and then we'll get the eggs and butter. Alright guys, we're gonna get these eggs on now. I'm gonna start off, I pushed a little of the bacon grease over here. I'm also gonna throw some clarified butter down. Just because you gotta have that butter taste for breakfast. Yeah. Alright, that should do it. Set around a little bit. Alright. Here we go. Alright. Let's get some bread on here. Got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, we're just gonna let them go for a quick second. We got the bacon all done, veggies done, the sausage is done. So yeah, we're just gonna, you know what, let's just go ahead and start putting these on. Just like so. Now I got this on low heat over here right now because it's kind of hot. All right. I'm gonna wash my hand. All right. Here we go. Let's throw some Cajun on here. Yeah, a little bit of that. We're still good over here on temp. Yeah, we're still around 200. Oh yeah, we're good over here. I'm gonna just bump it up just a taste. And yeah, we're gonna let these cook for just a hot second. Then we'll bring you back when we flip them. All right, welcome back. These are just about ready to flip now, and I did forget to tell you guys the cutouts from the bread. We put them on there too, just for a little something extra. All right, yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. Yep. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks amazing. Nice golden brown. Let's flip these little guys as well. And these are just about done now. Yep. Got the bacon all done over here. The veggies, sausage. We're done with this. We're done with this. Alright. Alright, and these are probably just about done now. I'm just going to give it another second, and we should be good. Right, dear? Yeah. All right. Make sure the stuff's staying hot. We're still just under 200 over here, so it's nice and hot still. Yeah. All right, welcome back. We got everything cleaned up. I'm about to try this. This looks amazing. You know we love some veggies over here in this house. There it is. Yes. I'm gonna bring it in for you guys so you can see this, because this looks good. All right, I hope you can see that. I know there's a little glare from that sun, but yeah, we got some goodness in there. That is some goodness. All right, Let's give this a try. All right, let's get a little veggies in there. Down some of that yolk. That is good. Got a hint of the Cajun seasoning. I didn't put that much on there. Just a hint of that. That jalapeno is real good. Not that spicy. Not like the other one last night, but got a really good flavor. They got some of that yolk in there. Yes, sir. That is good. Try this bacon or sausage. Yeah, these are the Johnsonville sausage patties, but they're pretty good. So yeah, that's it. That was a nice, easy cook. So I hope you come along. For the next one, give me a like and subscribe. Throw a comment in the bottom. And I'd like to interact with everybody, so do it. And we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.